What's up, y'all, and thanks for tuning in. So make sure you subscribe and also hit the bell so you are notified each time I post a video. In the last video, we explained what the NuWave Oven is and the benefits. In this video, we actually made a turkey. If you're interested in the outcome, then please keep watching.
Hello, people. This is Mama White coming to you today. We promised that we would come back and make some fixings for you. So today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to be cooking a turkey.
A turkey.
Yeah. Okay. And this is a small turkey, so I don't really have to use this item called an extender ring. It's a 3-inch extender ring. And what the extender ring does, the purpose, is that it for large items that you cook, it lifts it up it lifts it up 3 inches so that the item can cook efficiently and everything. Now this is a small turkey. It doesn't really need the extender ring. It's on the cusp, but I will just use it today anyway. Okay, so here we go.
Don't drop the turkey, Mom.
I'm doing my best. Woo-wee.
Because I'm hungry.
There we go. Got it in there. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to put the extender ring on now. Okay. And like I said, this particular small turkey doesn't need it, but I'm going to do it anyway. Okay. And now we're putting on the dome and the power head. Now this is the brains of the operation, okay? Now, what happens is when you cook a large item, you usually have to cook it on one side and then turn it over halfway. Okay, so this turkey is going to be cooking for like 1 hour and 12 minutes for the first half, and then I'll turn it over halfway and cook it for the remainder of the time. So anyway, what we need to do is, okay, cook time, 1 hour and 12 minutes, start. Here we go. And when it's finished on this side, I'll come back and we'll turn it over and we will continue cooking. Okay, I noticed that that the turkey was browning a little too quickly.
Browning, Mom?
Browning a little too quickly. So when that happens, you can put some foil. I'd rather put this over here for me. Put some foil over it. It's still going to cook. It just will keep it from browning too quickly. Okay. That's the end of the video. Okay, and we'll just continue. Okay, people, we're at the halfway point now. Put it on pause. Make sure that when you take the dome off, you always do it like that, away from you, so that you don't get burned because it gets very hot. I'm going to take the foil off now. It didn't get as brown as I thought it was, so I'm not going to put the foil on at the beginning of the second half. Okay? I think I should do this too. Take this off and make it easier. Here we go. Let's see. It's the wing. It was the wing that was holding stuff up. Okie dokie. I'm kind of short. It makes it kind of hard. There we go. Okay. Here we go. Now, I'm not going to put the foil on, but I'm still
You're not going to rub it with nothing? No butter, no nothing?
No, it's already been buttered up.
But it's the halfway point. Shouldn't we put some butter on and keep it all moisturized and stuff?
No.
Okay, my girl know what she's doing.
Okay, here we go. Okay, you put it on 100 hour and 12 minutes. You're going to do the same thing. So cook time. Cook time. 1, 1, 2, start. Okay, people, here's our final product. It took about 2.5 hours, and about the last half an hour or so, I took the foil off, and at one point I stopped and slathered some butter on it so it would be moist and everything. And I'm going to take this off so you can see. It's not even hot. Here's our turkey.